friends, how are you? My name is Harshit Patel and now we are learning on the probability. That is an important topic for NCERT mathematics. So we start with the definition and some examples about the probability. Now we discuss about the definition of probability. What is the definition of probability? Probability is occurring an event. What is the probability? Is a possibility. We can say that. Like have tossing a coin, we can say that the two total favorable outcomes is head or tail. And now we consider about the head, so that is a favorable outcome. So how can we find the probability? So what is the definition of probability? So the probability of occurring an event is called the probability. An event that is occur, a possibility of an event is called the probability. Or we can say that any event that can be happen is called the probability of it. So the probability is between 0 to 1. We can say that the probability is greater than or equal to 0 and less than is equal to 1. So the formula of probability is favorable outcome upon total outcome. Now we discuss about some different types of examples, and we can say that there are different types of events. First is sure event. What is a sure event? An event that is guaranteed to occur in every trial of experiments. Probability of sure event is always 1. So have ever was tossing a coin that is two-sided head. So the every side is a head, so every time it comes the head. So that is event is sure event. And the impossible event, an event that cannot occur under any circumstance within an experiment having probability is 0. That is the probability of 0, and the sure event is always probability of 1. So impossible event, we can say that a coin both side has head, so we can toss the coin so that every time it comes the head. So that is not an event to come the tail. So that is impossible event to come tail, and the possible event to come in head. Probability. How can we find the probability and in the real life problems? Have you ever tossing a coin like in a match, starting a cricket match? Similarly, what is the probability of finding head and tails, and what is the probability of rain or not? These are called the probability. Probability is basically a possibility. So now we consider an example with these topics. When a die is thrown at once, find the probability of getting a number less than 4. Now we consider an event that is the die is thrown at once. So we find the probability of finding a number less than 4. When an event occurs, when the die is thrown, so the total outcomes, the total possibilities to come is 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the question is called the number of is less than 4. The number is coming, we choose the random, and the number is coming less than 4. That is the favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is 3 because the less than 4 number is 3, 2, and 1. So 1, 2, 3 is a favorable outcome. So 3 is a favorable outcome. Now the possibilities, or we call the probabilities of occurring an event E, that is favorable outcome on total outcome. The favorable outcome is 3 and the total outcome is 6. So the probability is 1 by 2. Now we define the probability and more examples and formula. Thank you for watching this video. Solve the second problem, find the prime number and answer in the comment box. Thank you.